Hello, my friends. It's Alex Zubarev, and today we're gonna talk about something really cool. We're gonna talk about traffic. We're gonna talk about sales. We're gonna talk about leads, and what does it actually take to make profitable campaigns? What does it take to have sales on autopilot while you sleep? Um, Actually, I'm going to reveal some of the traffic sources that I use personally as well. So this is going to be a lot of value in this video. I don't know if you're on my team, if you maybe you are on another team, maybe another company. Doesn't matter. The principles apply to any company, any affiliate marketing program. It's all about finding the right traffic for your offer and converting that traffic into sales. So this is some of my results. Like I personally made over $1 million with my primary company, which is Empower Network. But I want to help you guys with generating sales, right? But what most important is, so you have full understanding from A to Z, what does it take to do automatic sales, right? How to set up campaigns, which traffic sources to associate with, which traffic sources to use, and more importantly, see what understanding what exactly you're doing, right? So some of the stuff that you should be aware of, guys, you should always be using Tracker, right? You should always use Tracker. The tracking is very important, so that way when you buy solo ads, when you buy email traffic, you know you're getting top tier. Very important, guys. Get tier 1, right? Top tier. Some people refer to it as tier 1, which is top 5 countries: United States, Canada, United Kingdom, New Zealand, and Australia. So those are English-speaking countries, right? Wealthy countries that people have credit cards. That's the type of traffic you want to get to your offer, right? So when you do buy traffic, right, always use Tracker. I personally use alextracker.com, and when you run campaigns, guys, this is what you can see. The traffic quality is very, very important, right? So it shows you the number of clicks here. It shows you the quality of those clicks. So anytime you get quality score of like 60 and above, you're good, right? So it also tells you how many mobile clicks you're getting as well, right? And most importantly, when you buy tier 1, top tier, you can actually see it, right? Because a lot of, honestly, guys, I'll leave all the stones, I'm not going to leave any stones unturned. There are some sellers out there that are kind of sketchy, and they can, some people even get away with selling fake traffic, But if you use Tracker, you can always go back and tell them, if you see tons of tier 3 clicks, or bot clicks or proxy clicks, see it shows 0, so it's a good traffic source. Then obviously you know what's going on with that seller. So a couple of traffic sources I'm going to reveal with you guys, and also I'm going to reveal my personal traffic agency that I use for my clients. So there's a couple of sources you can use, guys. One of them is a marketplace. This one is a marketplace, Udimi.us, this one right here. Basically, it's a marketplace of all the solo ad sellers, and they also have ratings and everything else. So what you do is you go to that site and you open a free account on udimi.us, not .com, .us. And when you log in, you'll see a bunch of sellers. You can also, so what I recommend you do is sort by rating, right? So people that have the highest feedback, that's who you want to deal with. And so, for example, I'm not gonna, advocate anyone specifically here. So do your homework. And guys, please make sure your funnel is set up before you buy traffic, because I see so many people buy traffic and their capture page is not working, or the autoresponder is not hooked up, and the people that go to your capture page never get follow-up emails. Guys, make sure that you don't throw away your money, right? And also, very important, make sure you have your traffic budget, right? You have your monthly budget that you stick to it for the next 3 to 6 months at least, right? Because you're building your list, you're building relationship with your list. It takes time to get sales. You get sales up front, of course, a lot of times, but most importantly, you're creating that list, right? And then you're building a relationship with that list, and people buy later, right? Like, for example, for me, like I would say like 60% of people buy, 60 to like 80% buy later, right? As they see my communication, as I develop communication with my subscribers, right? People will always join when the time is right for them. Always remember that. So without really telling who is good, who's not, you can just really sort by rating, and they have a calendar where you can book your solo ad, right? Your email drop. You can select how many clicks you want, right? I don't recommend anything like if you want to test a couple small ones, you can do like 500 clicks at a time. But normally I don't recommend anything less than like 1,000 clicks, because that way you really get good feel for that traffic and how many sales you're getting up front and how many sales you're getting later on and what kind of conversions you're getting. So always select tier 1. You know, like, this is the thing, guys. Everyone has mobile clicks now, but if you don't want mobile clicks, some of the sellers have that option. You can pay extra, but it doesn't really matter. Everyone is using smartphones nowadays, so tier 1, make sure you use that, right? Always use tier 1, and the pricing will change accordingly, right? So that's how you do it. You can also you have to send them swipe. This is another thing. You have to create your swipe, right? Your advertising. But you can also ask seller if they can write one for you, and they might charge you like $50 or $100 or something like that to write your swipe. And swipe meaning that email that goes to their list advertising your link, right? If you don't have experience doing that, it's better to pay seller to do that for you. Now, you can also do use traffic agencies where they take care of you and they write your swipe, your email advertising for you, so you don't have to worry about that. You just give them your advertising link, right? Tracking link, like from ClickMagick, right? And you give them that link. Normally, if you're dealing with reputable brokers, no, you don't really need to like check their quality, because they're in business to have repeat customers. So they're pretty much guaranteed they're going to send you legitimate tier 1 traffic. But if you're dealing with a marketplace, you don't know these people, right? It's always really, I mean, you must use Tracker. You must use alextracker.com and see the quality of the clicks. All right, so that's how you do it, and you can test multiple sellers and see what kind of results you get, right? Like with Empower Network, we have tracking codes, so we can see like tracking code we can assign to each person and see which one converts highest. Okay, so now you have brokers, right? The other option is brokers, and there's a couple of brokers that I use. So I'll give you, okay, so for example, trafficforme.info. This broker has multiple lists. So when you log in and create your free account, I recommend that you get super premium clicks. Let's see where this, yeah, super premium email clicks. That's, you can get 10,000, 5,000, or 1,000. I recommend getting at least 1,000 clicks, because 500 clicks is really not enough to test, really get a good feel for that traffic source, right? So that's another option. You don't have to write your own swipe. You just give them your link and just sit back and watch, right? Just make sure you have follow-up emails. Guys, in your follow-up emails, make sure you have at least, like, personalize them. A lot of people use like cookie cutter follow-up emails. Guys, come on. Don't be lazy. Add your own like flavor to it. Add at least signature, right? Add your own Facebook picture at the bottom, right? Your link to your Facebook, your link to your Skype, and make it personal, so that way you stand out from the rest, because most people are lazy. They're not even doing that. So the other option you have is Igor Traffic, really cool broker traffic as well, agency. So if you go to igortraffic.com, I think I have it open already, right here. If you go to igortraffic.com, is a really good legitimate source of traffic. And also, if you watch this video, he guarantees certain results. So definitely give him a shot. Really good traffic as well. And the last but not least is my own traffic agency, which is alextraffic.com, where also you don't have to write your own swipe. Just give me your link. Go to alextraffic.com and just give me your link, and I will take care of you. Right? I will take care of your business. And usually I can deliver within 2-3 days, unless it's holidays. Then give me extra time. But normally I can fulfill orders in a speedy fashion as well. So with that, I gave you tons of options. You now have no excuse, right? You know where to get traffic, and make sure that you're watching your conversions and using a tracker. You can use mine. That's my affiliate link, actually, alextracker.com. Highly recommend that you do that. If you're serious about this business, if you want to change your current income, if you want to double it, if you want to triple it or 10x your income, you can definitely do that. This is how I did it personally. And hopefully you find this training valuable. And with that, I'll see you guys on the internet or on stage getting that giant check. So with that, hopefully you got some value from this, and now you know where to get good traffic. So with that, take care and God bless.